Hello everyone, this is Phone Man Ali from Tediger Mobile Tech. Guys, today I've got this iPhone 12. You can see the camera lens is smashed. Also, camera has a issue. Like when the customer turn on the back camera, it's shaking and it making funny noises. So I need to replace the new camera and I need to replace the new camera lens. So I already removed the front LCD panel. So let's start the video. So guys, I've replaced the new camera, new back camera. So let's open the new back camera and see the result. So it's not shaking anymore. It's not making any funny noises anymore. Everything is alright. No vibrating. So even check the videos. Let's zoom it. Absolutely fine. And I put the new lens as well. That's absolutely fine. So the job is done. iPhone 12 back camera lens and the back camera itself is replaced. And that was the old broken camera. It was damaged. So now it got the new camera and it's working fine. So the job is done. Thank you for watching the video.